before we get started, let's check out the links in my description. We all want nice things. We want the car, we want a house, we want a high limit credit card. But if you don't have at least a 680 credit score, you're not even in the game. So click this link here to know where you stand and get your free credit scores from all three bureaus. That will be Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. And also get your reports. If you would like to be free and become financially independent through entrepreneurship, click this link here to be free. If you'd like to get cash back, which is a discount during shopping, please click this link here to see my favorite cashback sites. And if you enjoy the music you hear in the background, please click the link here and subscribe to It's Oasis. Hello everyone, welcome back to Community Wealth. Right now what we're going to do, we're going to go over my FICO 9 score with Navy Federal. Now again, it's FICO 9. I get that through my Navy Federal Cash Rewards credit card. So we're going to see what the update is on that. I haven't checked yet. This will be the first time I'm doing this with you guys for this month. But before we get into that, if you would like to know your FICO scores and what's on your reports with all three bureaus, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, click the credit monitoring link in the description below. If you would like to make $500 to $1,000 plus per week using your vehicle on your time, click the Wealth Dasher link in the description below. If you don't have a vehicle or you don't want to use your own, you can click the Wealth Hire Car link in the description below, and that way you can use the hire car with the Wealth Dasher and still make $500 to $1,000 plus per week on your time. You want to know how I got 5 properties for $5,500? Click the Be Free link in the description below, then click Sign Up. If you'd like to get cash back while shopping online, you can always do that by clicking the cashback links in the description below. If you want that new credit card, the Aspiration Zero card, it's a MasterCard, and they're giving you $300 back on your first $3,000 spend in the first 90 days. And you can get that card by clicking the Aspiration link in the description below. Now, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to go into my Navy Federal account on the credit card side, and I'm going to go ahead and get into the FICO 9 score. The FICO 9 is the Equifax score. So this is my Equifax FICO 9 score. So let's get into it and see what it's about. Here I am in my Navy Federal Cash Rewards account. You see that $80 went through I paid the other day. Remember I made a video about I paid this, and I also used my Cash Rewards balance, the reward balance. You see it's right now. Remember I was at $750. Now I'm at $50 because I cashed out $700 for the cash rewards to actually pay the credit card down. So wait for that to credit. So when that credit, I'll update and give a video about the $700 credit from the cash rewards and show you the difference now. Show you the difference then. But right now, let's get into the FICO score. Here it is right here. So I'm going to get into this and see this FICO 9 score. And let's go. Okay, here we go. A FICO 9 score. It dropped to 656. Okay, it dropped to 656. Am I surprised? Of course not, because remember last month I told you that it's gonna hit that I raised my credit card, the actual cash rewards credit card. You saw I had a high balance. It took the balance up to 44%. All right, usually I stay at 5%, so I went from 5% to 44% just like that. So of course I expected the score to drop. Now I didn't expect to drop 19 points. You see it was at 675 and now I'm at 656. So that's 19 points. That's a heck of a drop. I didn't expect to drop that much. All the other ones just dropped 12 points, 11 to 12 points. You know, but this FICO 9, I guess they're not playing around. So again, I'm not surprised. It should have went up because my first Premier reported at 6%, but of course you're not seeing that on here because this came in on the 5th. I've just hit the 5th, so it may, it should have shown up. So maybe this is what the first Premier. I don't know, because the first Premier that was at the end of the month. But at any rate, this is the score now. As you can see here, I was at 675, and right before that I was at 670. It stayed at 670 for these 2 months. So I'm assuming this is October, November, This is December, and here I am now. So this is once that 44% hit. Okay, but as you can see, this is the roller coaster. I was at 657. This was back in February. In February, I was at 657, down to 646 in March. Went back up to 647 in April. And here you go on the 5th. I say on the 5th, I'm sorry. In May, I was at 656, which is where I'm at now. So it looked like it went full circle. 682 in June, all the way down to 643. Man, that's a heck of a drop. 682. That dropped 40 points right here. But that's because, remember, I told you that, see, I had, at this time, I was only at $3,000 balance, or $3,000 of credit limit on the cash rewards card. But the authorized user card I'm on, that was only at $2,000 at the time. And that jumped up to, I believe it was like almost 50%. So with the lower limits and that 50%, you know, that dropped me way down. I mean, I had my credit lines were way lower. My first mirror card wasn't even at $900 at the time. It was only at $700. But so it dropped 40 points to that 643, and then went back up to 656. Like FICO 9, love that 656. Then here I'm at 663. This is in September. October 670. November 670. Here's my highest since 682. I'm at 675 for December. Now I'm back down to 656. No, it doesn't feel good. But I mean, I knew it was going to happen. I didn't know it was going to drop 19 points, to be honest with you. I really didn't. But the thing about it is, I just got to get the utilization back down. And so you see, I just paid $80 the other day. If you watch the video, it's the using my cash rewards balance to pay my cash rewards card. So that's the video. I know that's the exact title, but you will see it. It's in the Do It Yourself Credit Repair playlist, and it's on my channel. And I just did the video 2 days ago. No, it was yesterday. I did a video yesterday, so it should be up, and you'll see it. And you see, it says your FICO score is calculated based on a number of factors, including the amount of debt you already owe, your payment record, and the length of your credit history. Your credit score can affect your ability to take out loans or rent or buy a home. It's important to maintain a good credit score, and checking your score here will not adversely affect your score. And this is affecting numbers of accounts with delinquents, and that's kind of crazy because in a couple of months, remember, this is going to not even be a factor anyway, because it's going to be 24 months since my last late payment. So my last late payment was 24 months. It'll still show, but it won't have that big of an effect. So the 24 months will be February. So that's next month. So hitting March, I'll be on my 25th month of no delinquencies, all right? With no late payments. So, okay, serious delinquency. Again, after February, come March, it won't have that big of an effect because it'll be 25 months, all right? So again, that's pretty much what it is. Also, I'm trying to get my credit scores back up because I plan on financing. We're getting some more financing so we can get the rehab properties we have. Trying to get those together. Maybe I did a video about that, about this rehab property I have. It's a tax lien property I got for $500. Well, total just under $2,000. Maybe like something like $1,700, $1,800. So we got to try to get some financing to get that together. So I got to get my credit score back up. And also, I want to have it together because I have some land that used to have a house on it, but now it's just land. I want to try to put a house right there so that I'll become a developer. So I'll do that. There's 2 properties I'm trying to work on this year. I got to get the financing up for it, which means I got to get my credit back on track. So that's the main reason why I'm trying to get my credit back on track. Plus, you got to just maintain it. All right. I did not do anything bad. It's just that I had to use the funds on the card to take care of something. Now I just got to get the card back down. And I will do it, and you'll be seeing me because I'm documenting this every month. But again, hope this information helped you out. You see, this is my FICO 9 score, 656. And hopefully next month, I can get it back up there. All right. So thanks for watching. If you would like to know your FICO scores and what's on your reports from all 3 bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, click the credit monitoring link in the description below. If you would like to make $500 to to $1,000 plus per week utilizing your vehicle on your own time, click the Wealth Dasher link in the description below. If you don't have a vehicle or you don't want to use your own vehicle, then click the Wealth Hire Car link in the description below. And that way you can hire a car and use that vehicle to then Wealth Dash and make $500 to $1,000 plus per week on your own time. If you want to know how I got 5 properties for $5,500, click the Be Free link in the description below. And if you'd like to get cash back while shopping online, click the Cashback link in the description below. Like, share the video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to It's Oasis, and until the next video, let's get this money.